In lesson 2.5's cool down, connecting factors and zeros, we are given a polynomial, and here's the function for the polynomial, and it's told us that it has been graphed incorrectly. We need to identify the error and explain how to fix the graph. So the first thing to notice is that they give you the function in factored form. So I'm just going to rewrite it down here. X minus 5 times x minus 2 times 4x plus 3. And we want to remember from the lesson that the most important thing is if we can find where this function is equal to 0, then we can find the x-intercepts. So for the first factor, positive 5 is one of the x-intercepts. Positive 2 is another x-intercept, or another 0. And then we want to minus the 3 divided by the 4. So minus the 3 divided by the 4. So negative 3/4 or negative 0.75 is the third 0 or the third x-intercept. So if we take a look at this graph, there's definitely something wrong because this graph has an x-intercept at negative 5, which should be positive 5. It's got one at negative 2, which should have been a positive 2, and it's got one that appears to be at positive 3/4 instead of negative 3/4. So I know that the error. So error is they graphed the x-intercepts incorrectly. So we need to plot. We'll go ahead and plot the right x-intercepts. They're going to have one at positive 5, and they're going to have one at positive 2, and they're going to have one at negative something along this line. And we're just going to go ahead and copy the shape. Comes up, goes down. And this is probably more like the correct way. It's a little messy.